Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do those infamous like color or glitter down here and then that milky white on top. I'm really excited to do these. So I have already prepped my nail. So I took my nail down as flat as I could get it. I'm taking a gelish foundation and I'm going to do a nice thin layer of this, and I am moving it back and forth to scrub it in to that new growth, and then I'm kind of feathering it down over the existing gel.
What does perfect even mean?
I am going to take Little J from GLAM, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put very, very, very little on this brush. So you can see I literally have it just at the very end. We are going to kind of push down and then push back to the cuticle and swipe up a little bit. Swipe up and then swipe up. Again, keeping that cuticle super, super, super clean. Of course, it was not filming, so I have a little bit of cleanser on this ombre brush, and I am kind of feathering it out, which takes most of that harsh line, and I'm going to let that dry and we're gonna cure it. All right, I'm gonna come in with a second layer. And I am showing you one nail, and then I will move on and show you the rest. But I did want to show one full nail since this design is relatively easy. Okay, grabbing that cleanser and just fading that out. Okay, I'm gonna cure. All right, so I'm gonna take a boomer white and I'm gonna push back to the cuticle and drag it down. We're keeping that area super, super thin here because remember, gel likes to stick to gel. Okay, now we're gonna grab a bigger bead. So I like to roll and then scrape the side, let it break off, and then I let the gel run down. Place almost in the back, push it towards the back, and then I like to walk it down the nail. Okay, and then we're going to come over the edge and drag it back and flip. All right, and here is it cured, and then of course we will file at the end, but the next one I want to do is with glitter. So I'm gonna do the glitter on this nail, so I'm gonna do these two. And I mean, of course, this one will also there, but I'm gonna add glitter at the end of doing these.
Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, I'm gonna take that gelish foundation again, and we are going to do a super, super, super thin layer in the back here. And if you notice, I only did one coat of that pink. And now we're gonna add the glitter. So I'm gonna be a little bit more precise with this glitter because I need it to lay flat. I'm going to put a good amount on, but I don't need full coverage, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm going to cure that. Okay, now we are going to take our white again. All right, now we're on to the glitter nail, and we're repeating those same steps. So we go almost all the way to the back of the glitter nail, not all the way back because I want some of that glitter to be uncovered from that white, and I can just add top coat back there, so I'm not worried about that.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging.
All right, so I recommend trying to keep your application as clean as possible. I don't necessarily have the best application, so mine kind of get a little messy. So now I'm going to file. Had you kept your application perfect, you wouldn't have to file, but again, that's just not in my nature at all. All right, so now you're going to take your top coat and apply it over everything. And I find if you have to do a little bit of a touch-up, which I did on a couple of them because I didn't realize my file was not seasoned, and if you've ever done that, you know what happens. So just take your brush and just add it in there and then fan it out with that alcohol.
Upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10.
All right, here is the finished look. I put cuticle oil on and took off that dispersion layer, and my nails and my skin soaked it up. They are so dry, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained.